Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight in the US, stocks traded higher ahead of the key earnings report from Nvidia. The S&P rose 0.81%, the Nasdaq added 1.26%, and the Dow gained 0.63%. Asian markets rose, tracking gains on Wall Street. The Nikkei was up 0.2% and the Topix advanced 0.9%. Australia's ASX 200 was up 0.6% in the early hours. In India, Nifty closed at 25,483, up 58 points yesterday, whereas Bank Nifty closed at 61,043, down 4 points. Nifty formed a small bearish candle with a long upper shadow after facing resistance near 25,650, which is a key confluence of Tuesday's high and the 40-day EMA. The index remained confined within Tuesday's range, reflecting a lack of clear direction. In the near term, 25,598, the 20-day SMA and 25,650 will act as immediate resistance levels. For bulls to regain strong momentum, a decisive close above 25,800 is crucial. On the downside, support is placed at 25,424 and the 200-day SMA at 25,341. A breach below this zone could pull the index towards the gap area near 25,108, with interim support around 25,256. Foreign institutional investors anchored the cash market yesterday by net purchasing 2,992 crore rupees, raising the month-to-date inflow to 28,097 crore rupees. Nifty futures gained 28.5 points, while open interest dropped 2.6%, confirming short covering. Conversely, Bank Nifty futures fell 71.4 points as OI surged 8.3%, signaling a bearish short build-up. This cross-index contradiction, where Nifty finds support via short covering while the financial engine is actively shorted, is mirrored by cooling premiums at 146 and 324 points from 176 and 392. While the Nifty PCR dipped to 0.88 from 0.91 and Bank Nifty PCR fell to 1.12 from 1.24, retail's aggressive call buying meets proprietary desks' heavy put writing, creating a synthetic floor. With India VIX slipping 4.7% to 13.49 and the rupee settling at 90.97 following suspected RBI intervention at 91.0, FIIs continue to hold an index futures ratio of 0.27. This suggests a range-bound expectation between 25,200 support and 25,800 resistance, indicating a fragile stability where momentum lacks breakout conviction. Sectorally, Nifty Metals gained 2.7%, while Nifty PSU Bank fell 0.4%. In F&O, Mankind Pharma rose 5.4%, while Wari Energies declined 10.5%. On commodities, gold rose 0.43% to close at $5,164, supported by persistent uncertainty over US trade policy and geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Investors are also monitoring the resumption of US-Iran nuclear talks on Thursday. Copper gained 0.93% to $5.98, leading base metals higher as Chinese markets reopened after the Lunar New Year holiday. Sentiment improved after the US Supreme Court ruled some tariffs illegal. WTI crude fell 0.77% to $65.35 per barrel, marking a third straight decline after the EIA reported a nearly 16 million barrel surge in US crude inventories, well above expectations. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments and securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.